how to order two variants of the same product from the same seller on Aliexpress. Now in order to do that, just simply open either your Aliexpress app or aliexpress.com website. Then after that, you need to select any of the product which you would like to buy two times for two different variants. Let me open this shirt, and after choosing the product that you would like to buy, you are gonna see a lot of different variant on the color and sizes in here. You can just simply select any of the color or size that you want to buy, and you can do it by tapping into buy now once, and after ordering the one product you can again select another and tap to buy now again and go through full process one more time. Or what you can do is select the variant that you would like to buy, and after selecting the variant, tap to add to cart, and one of the variant will be added to your cart, and then select another variant of the product and then again tap to add to cart. This way you have added two variants of the same product from the same seller. Now in order to buy the product, you need to go to your cart, and once you go into your cart, you are gonna see two different variants of the same product from the same seller. Now you can check out from here and buy the product that you want to buy. Just simply add address, confirm the order and pay at the very last, and after that the product will be purchased. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.